get some construction workers' reaction with this liquid ass. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it smells like booty. Every bit of booty. I'll be right back, y'all. Let's go. I think it was like a rat or something. It do smell crazy. Now I'm smelling it. God damn.
Yeah, Jesus. It was a frat thing, yeah. They probably had fucking shit in there.
Yeah. Let me get out. I'm about to pass out like it. Ooh wee.
I smelled shit before.
Yeah. Everything right here.
That might be cutting oil for us, but I didn't want to for a case. Oh, fuck. Let me carry manure.
I'll make sure I have a different truck tomorrow. Ain't that bad, Dean?
That's bad. That's fucking bad.